Hello and welcome to a review of the Dell L100 keyboard. So this keyboard is by Dell, obviously, and it is a pretty good keyboard for just typing if you want non-mechanical keys. So these are still pretty loud. The Spacebar is pretty loud too, but it's still a membrane keyboard. So if you want a loud spacebar on a membrane keyboard, you should get this one. It has some pretty good lights up here, as you can see, for all of the locks. And green, which doesn't really fit Dell now that they have blue for most of their advertising, but it fit Dell at the time when they had green on their computers. Of course, you might not like this keyboard as it has two of the Windows key. It even has this key, which, if I remember, it opens a notepad. It has a caps lock key that has a spacer right here, so if you're playing a game, you probably won't hit caps lock as often since your finger will just get in the hole. So this is a much better caps lock. And it has a full numpad over here with all of the right keys. These are still pretty loud. The inners. And yeah, that's about it for the Dell L100 keyboard. It came with old desktops at the time. The Dell Dimension 3100 possibly came with this. I'm not entirely sure. That's one Dell computer I have that came with this, but I bought it used, so I don't know. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye.